Meet the H225 Super Puma, the heavy-lift helicopter that redefines power, endurance, and versatility. From rescuing lives in the deadliest storms, a broken bar, to transporting soldiers into the heart of battle, a broken bar, to keeping offshore oil rigs alive, a broken bar, this machine can literally do it all. Today, we're diving into the beast of the skies that has earned the nickname the workhorse of the air. The H225, formerly known as the Eurocopter EC-225, belongs to the legendary Super Puma family, a line of helicopters trusted since the 1970s. Born in France, and developed by Airbus Helicopters, the Super Puma was designed to be tough, reliable, and capable of missions that no other chopper could handle. Over the years, it's been upgraded with state-of-the-art avionics, improved safety systems, and powerful engines, evolving into the H225 we know today. And this isn't just another helicopter or broken bar, it's a lifeline for industries and militaries across the globe. So what makes the H225 a true heavy lift champion? Let's break it down. Engines: 2 turbomaker 2A1 turboshaft engines, delivering 2,382 horsepower each. Range: over 850 kilometers, 460 nautical miles, with external tanks. Cruising speed: 275 kilometers per hour, 170 miles per hour. Max takeoff weight: a massive 11,200 kilograms. In simple terms, this helicopter can haul enormous loads, transport up to 24 passengers, or carry heavy military equipment into zones where no airplane could ever land. But here's where the H225 really shows its superpowers: a versatility. 1. Search Rescue, SAR. When disaster strikes at sea, the H225 is often the first to arrive. With an advanced autopilot, weather radar, and rescue hoists, it can save lives even in Category 6 storm conditions. 2. Offshore transport. For oil and gas workers, the H225 is a flying taxi, carrying crews safely to rigs far out in the ocean. It's built for long endurance, high payload, and safety in extreme environments. 3. Military defense. From troop transport to special forces insertion, the Super Puma has been used in combat zones worldwide. Its armor kits and electronic countermeasures give it the edge in hostile environments. 4. Firefighting heavy lift. Need to move tons of cargo or drop thousands of liters of water? The H225 handles it with ease. The H225 is not just powerful, it's also one of the safest helicopters in its class. Its 5-axis autopilot is so advanced, pilots say it feels like the helicopter flies itself. Add in crash-resistant fuel systems, advanced rotor technology, and cutting-edge avionics, and you've got a machine built to keep crews alive no matter the mission. From the icy waters of Norway to the deserts of the Middle East, from military battlefields to offshore rigs, the H225 Super Puma has proven it can do everything. And that's why more than 330 units are in service across 20+ countries. It's not just a helicopter. It's a rescuer. A soldier. A lifeline. A workhorse. The H225 Super Puma is the heavy lift helicopter that can truly, a broken bar, do it all. Would you trust your life to the H225 Super Puma? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic aviation content.